this video, I'm going to share with you the stay experience in this beautiful hotel. And this is the lobby right over here. And let me go for check-in. I will share with you the facility of the room, the breakfast, the lounge, and everything I can see. As a platinum guest or maybe other elite guest, you can choose the option right over here. For me, I will choose the 1000 Marriott points. Welcome to the room. I've upgraded to a junior suite. For my booking, I booked for Superior King. I paid 443.70 ringgit for one night stay over here. As a platinum guest, I got upgraded to a junior suite. So today, my room is 1922. My room is right over here. So it should be one of the largest room here, except this corner. And then the staff are very professional, very attentive, explain things very clean and clear. Yeah, clean. Why clean? Okay, anyway, breakfast currently for the safety measurement, there are 3 slots. I choose the 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then as a platinum guest, I get free breakfast and I can bring another guest to join me for breakfast. And the afternoon tea, the club lounge is not open. So there's no afternoon tea, but I can get a cocktail and snack at the Alchemy from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the lower ground floor. And now allow me to show you the room. Ta-da! At the entrance, there's a very huge mirror. You can basically see everything of yourself and your loved one or your entire family. Check the grooming before you all go out. And over here, it's empty. Let's go to my bedroom. 6 drinking bottle. It's like this. It's very eco-friendly. And then 6 capsule. Is the capsule looks very different. Oh wow! Okay, I never seen a machine like that. And then fridge. Oh, they fill out the fridge. Wow, it's impressive. And there's nothing here. Kettle and the ice box. 3 types of tea: English breakfast, green tea, and the very famous bowl tea. Okay, welcome to the living room. The working desk is here. 2 international power plug. It's a little bit too rushed for me. I was like busy just now. And then the welcome note. Yep. And thank you, Hotel JW Marriott, for this very nice chocolate. It looks delicious. If I have friends come visit me, I'm going to share with my friend. Otherwise, I'm going to finish all by myself. So, sofa, a giant TV right over here. Very huge TV. And another giant TV right over here. But sadly, it's not a smart TV. Those I tried just now, tried to connect to my phone. It's not successful. And interestingly, the safe is put right over here. It's empty. Oh, let's check out the view. I forgot about that. Why is this? Why there is a swimming pool here? Oh, is that what they call Pavilion Hotel or the Bayan Tree, if I am not wrong? Okay, I'll go to stay there next time. Sanitizing wipes, Holy Bible, 2 universal power plug, and 3-pin plug, 2 universal power plug, and another sanitizing wipes. And what is this? So if you need, okay, the room is clean. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see. This is makeup table. It's nice. You can have a very nice lighting to do your own makeup. Perfect. And oh, they provide 2 umbrellas inside the room. 2 bathrobes, ironing board, and bedroom slipper, the steam iron. It's empty. Hair dryer, very important. Let me see how the hair dryer looks like. I don't want small hair dryer. Okay, it looks okay, acceptable to me. Won't take some time to blow dry my hair. Okay, the laundry bag, sewing kit, the brush. Oh, it's 3-in-1 brush. So shoehorns like this, the brush and the polish. Okay, Are you ready to go to the bathroom? Oh my goodness. Sorry, I was using the washroom. So be careful the catch. And then what I call the toilet bowl with the bidet and the mirror. So junior suite you get only one washing basin. And they're using this brand Aromatherapy. Okay, mouthwash. I'm very happy to have mouthwash. I tried this brand before, okay only, not fantastic. And bathtub the bathtub is a little bit small though. And then standing shower, rain shower, one set of the shampoo is right over there. Anything here? No. I'm going to check out the bathtub. It looks incredibly small. Okay, it's deep enough and quite a comfortable design to let you soak like this. But your leg had to bend a little bit. I'm 175 cm. It's bended my leg, but I can open up a little bit and I can lie down. Okay. Small but comfortable. I think it's very good to save water. Very good design. Okay, I'm going to show you the 360, the bed pass, and then the evening cocktail, breakfast. And swimming pool and the gym. You don't have to book for the swimming pool, first come first serve, but you have to book for the gym. Time for the bed pass. The bathrobe is quite comfortable. I quite like it. It's not too thick, which is like sometimes that when you wear the bathrobe, it's way too hot, especially in Malaysia, right? Oh, the track count is acceptable. It's a heartbeat. I don't like it. Okay, there is a very small, cute JW Marriott logos pillow poster or leg rest. And funny that the pillows are square. And this is a very soft pillow, very, very soft. And this is even more softer pillow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, ho! Ay. That's bouncy. It's a very bouncy, hot heartbeat. Consider quite stable, but it's a little bit bouncy though. And it's a little bit hard. Yeah, let me check the bed cover. Yeah, the bed cover is quite soft. I like it, and the blanket is slightly rough. And there's something on the bed. Something. Oh, that's a feather. Oh, okay. How come a feather on under the bed? See? I'm not sure you can see that. So it was poking me just now. And then I think there's a reason why they give 6 pillows. Cause even though I put 2 together, it might be a little bit too flat. Yeah, I'm not sure they have a pillow menus. I will find out. But so far, I'm happy with this. At level 19, soundproof is good. The aircon is not noisy at all. I will show you more later. Yeah. I'm at the Alchemy, and this is how it looks like. Because the club lounge is not open, and then I'm the only one right over here. So the drinks that you can get is red wine, white wine house pour, and then the cocktail. There's two types of cocktails. One is called Bee's Knee #2. It's a bee and gin base of the cocktail. And the tea colin is something like gula melaka, and they'll boil it or something else, and then to make it a melaka based gula melaka based drink. And you also can order beer, Pepsi, 7 Up, coffee, and tea. I'm gonna show you what you can get for the drink, the cocktail, how does it taste like, and then any food as well. Sadly, they only serve food on Friday and Saturday evening with a bento, so I have to order food from Shuk and Lok Yu. They also give a big bowl of the peanut, and this is tea Colin. It has some cinnamon, if I'm not wrong. I would say tea Colin is better, because this is just like a honey alcohol drinks. But the tea Colin, it has some herbs inside, some spice inside, and then it smells very good. I mean, it tastes very good as well. I'm going to try to get the red wine and white wine and see which one is better. Then I recommend you to try right over here. Or you have to wait until the club lounge is open, then visit their club lounge for the better drinks. Let me try the white wine from Italy. It tastes a little bit weird to me. Let me try the red wine. Okay, I will recommend you to order the red wine or beer, the safer, and then the tea Collins for the evening cocktail right over here. I had a good sleep. It was a very comfortable bed. Air conditioning is not too cold and no noise at all. And then I don't hear any noise on the street side, although side is just at Bukit Bintang. Shower, the hot shower is have to wait like about 10 seconds to get hot water. It's not too bad. Hair dryer is okay. The shampoos are all okay. No complaint for this room. I'm going to show you the breakfast now. Breakfast will be served at the Shuk, and this is a dining area. So let's go together and take a look to see what they can offer for breakfast. The very first thing I can see, there are porridge, or some of you call it congee. These are the condiment, century eggs. Some of you might not like it. It looks a little bit scary, tastes a little bit like jellish. And the smoothie, 3 different types of smoothie. Like over here, and the next one will be the nasi lemak station. Very famous thing in Malaysia. Coconut milk with rice, and sambal is the curry. The sambal looks like spicy hot. And the next one, a fried bee hoon, sunny side up egg, hard boiled egg, soft boiled egg. And the next ones are the noodle station. So that you can see that all the condiments is just right over here. The next one will be the fried stuff. Then so far looks good. So these are the stir fried broccoli and the veggies with some Parmesan cheese. Then you get the grilled tomato, baked bean, and the bacon, sausages. Let's go see the next one. These are let me take a look, the egg station. So you can get like the fried egg, omelette, scrambled egg, hard boiled egg, soft boiled egg, and poached eggs right over here. You can let the live station to prepare the fresh fried egg for you. And then the juice station, a few different types of the juice, and then very interesting to have mango juice, right? And the ice water right over here. So let's take a look. And what else that we can get? The dining area is quite comfortable. So there are a few different types of yogurt, cereal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types of cereals, and the condiment for the cereal, muesli, and let's see then the soya milk, skim milk, And then these are the French toast. It looks very good, thick, and then like looks very well prepared. Croissant, two different types of croissant, and the pastry. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of pastry right over here. And then the bread, two types of bread right over here with the toast machine for you to toast your bread. And then the salted butter and the butter, peanut butter milk, all this thing. And the next one will be the salad station. So everything looks fresh right over here, looks good. And the broccoli, cauliflower, then a mixed bean, and then some cut fruits. So you can actually ask the staff to get fruit for you and the cut cheese as well. So this mango style salad, it looks good. Thai style mango salad, it looks good. And then the cut fruit as well, the watermelon, papaya, and the honeydew, dragon fruit, another types of honeydew, and longan. Allow me to show you the swimming pool of the hotel. So there are some room, it's called cabana room. It's just right in front of the poolside. The swimming pool here is 1.2 meter deep. It is good enough, and you can get a lot of the natural sunlight over here. I think those people love sun tanning, you'll love this room for sure. And there are kids pool, something like this. I can't tell how deep it is, but it still looks quite deep. And then there should be a poolside bar. It's good enough for you to have a good workout to swim in and out like that. And I'm going to show you the fitness center now. This is the gym, the fitness center. It looks a little bit small to me, but the equipment are quite up to date. And you need a booking to use a gym. So there's 3 yoga ball placed like that. And then the free weight. I will say that if I'm doing exercise here, this will be my main machine for the workout. And then maybe this one. So I can see there are more cardio machine. So if you are coming over here to drink a lot, eat a lot, this will be your friends. Just done the checkout. The hotel stay is very comfortable. I would say that I recommend anyone that come to Kuala Lumpur to check in this hotel, JW Marriott. Is renovated nicely. The room is comfortable. No complaint on the room, no complaint on the staff. One little highlight, which is I actually dined in the Shook and the Lok View last night, so some of the staff had no idea about the platinum, Convoy Platinum benefits, so they did not issue the discount for me, which is 20% or 30%. So after the second day, you're not able to get the discount upon checkout. So it's highlighted to you that in case you're going to dine in the Star Hill, to check for the discount, the benefits first. And then currently the club lounge is not open, then you can actually enjoy the evening cocktail at the Alchemy. Only Friday and Saturday evening that you can get the bento. And then yeah, I think that's all. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.